So AI and Canva is a new way for people to make more than $8,000 a week. Also, I really believe that the plan is so easy that it's brilliant. In this case, this is what they do. To make these simple list challenge shorts, they're combining the drag and drop features of Canva with ChatGPT text generation. It looks like these list challenge videos are easy, and they are, but they're also psychologically meant to keep people watching until the very end. The algorithms on both YouTube and TikTok love them because of this, and the videos go popular, getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars from AdSense and TikTok ads. And I'm going to show you how great it is for new content makers. Here are the steps you need to follow to make these videos if you want to try it out for yourself. Earning money fast with YouTube. And we'll start with step 1, making money fast with YouTube Shorts. I became interested. When I looked it up, I saw that the video had received over 23 million views. That is absurd, since you give it some thought, don't you? YouTube AdSense is an advertising program that allows producers to make money on the platform. Before users view our videos, YouTube plays advertisements. The company shares the money made from these commercials with YouTube creators. Creators get rewarded in this way. Based on Reddit creators of YouTube that I observed, these days, the majority of creators claim to make between 10 and 20 cents each minute. Thus, using an average RPM of 15 cents for every 1,000 views, we can figure that a small, straightforward video has earned almost $3,400. This is really impressive, especially considering how easy it is to create videos similar to this one, as you will soon discover. All of this increased my curiosity. I then made the decision to peek at their Social Blade channel and see what I discovered. It was only 3 months ago in May that they began uploading videos, and yet they received close to 20 million views in less than 2 months, and they can then effortlessly fulfill YouTube's AdSense eligibility standards if they have more than 100,000 subscribers. To be honest though, it gets much stranger, because I thought, at this point in my investigation, that perhaps they were an exception. They're the only ones who can make this work. However, after doing more research, I found that several new channels had launched this year and were making use of the list challenge videos as a marketing tactic. I strongly advise you to conduct your own study by looking into these channels if you're interested. But for the time being, earning even more money with TikTok. It's time to go to the second part of this plan, which involves leveraging the TikTok Creator Rewards program to generate a sizable income. Yes, because this is the thing, you see? YouTube Shorts allows you to monetize mobile videos in a profitable way. However, TikTok allows you to earn absurd sums of money via smartphone videos, which actually kind of saddens me, as I will explain in a moment. But I'm getting off topic. There are 2 main reasons why TikTok is a great place to generate a lot of money, especially when compared to YouTube. And it's easy to understand why first. The reason is that TikTok surpasses YouTube Shorts in both user base and views. Consider this TikTok account, for instance. It posts videos of list challenges and has more than 1 million followers. You may observe that their videos often receive at least 100,000 views over time. They typically receive even more, frequently more than 1 million. But at this time, I was so far down the research rabbit hole, and over the first 4 weeks of publication, it received over 55 million views overall. That is completely crazy. Yes, there are a lot of views on TikTok, as you can see. That explains in part why the creators here are able to make absurd sums of money. The TikTok Creator Rewards program is the second factor. List challenge videos on TikTok are always required to be at least 1 minute long, since similar to YouTube, the platform distributes additional cash it receives with producers only if your videos are 1 minute or longer. Furthermore, TikTok offers average ad payouts that are larger than those on YouTube. I checked it out by going to the TikTok creators subreddit. Additionally, it appears that creators are currently making between 40 cents and $1 per RPM on average, which is significantly more than what YouTube Shorts are currently making, which is, of course, between 15 and 20 cents. Ads on TikTok have an eligibility criteria in order to earn money. The requirement that you have 10,000 or more followers actually gets me to the second weird thing about this strategy, because there's a great chance it will become viral. It is demonstrated by the fact that this video went viral and received over 5 million views in the first 2 weeks after the account was created. It's possible that this video alone allowed them to get paid. As you can see, these videos have a very high potential for going viral, and they are so popular that accounts are having videos pop off within weeks of publishing them. Consider this TikTok account for the list challenge, for instance. On the 1st of July, they began uploading videos, and sure enough, on July 8th, just 7 days later, they had over 5 million views for their first major viral video hit. And those are only a handful of the accounts I discovered using this new quiz structure that are making quick money. There were many more, but I won't bore you with a list of them all. Therefore, I heartily urge you to look them all up and conduct your own study. However, I do think it's amazing how much money individuals are making on TikTok so rapidly. TikTok's creativity rewards are only available to users in these countries, as opposed to over 100 countries that can sign up for YouTube's ad monetization program. I'll now walk you through the process of making your own list challenge videos, should you decide to give it a try. Make a Canva stock video template. First, we're going to make a stock video template for Canva. It's true that this will require some time. Don't worry though, after we've made this template, we can use it again and again to make new videos. So head on over and log into your Canva account to get started. After logging in, click on Create Video and then select Mobile Video. Now you can see that currently, list challenge videos are using stock video footage as their background. Canva will be our tool of choice while making our video template. Canva is quite convenient because it comes with a ton of pre-installed stock film clips. Returning to Canva, click on Elements, search for whatever kind of video you're looking for, and choose to view the video clips. And to fill the screen, drag and drop it into the corners. After the video has been chosen, press the Trim button to set the duration to 15 seconds. Then select to edit the video and adjust the brightness of the video down in order to make the words on screen appear more brilliant. List challenge videos dim their brightness and make their stock movies darker. We will then provide the title of the video. Return to the Elements panel. Choose to add a shape this time. Add a rounded rectangle. Alter its color to a red or other high contrast hue, and then drag and drop it to the top of the video. Next, pick to create a header. Change the text color to white, and adjust the font by clicking the text option in the menu. Drag and drop it to sit on the red rectangle you previously added. Then, as I did here, you may adjust the distance between text lines by using the text spacing tool as well. You may adjust each element's size by tugging on its corners and dragging it around to acquire the desired appearance. To apply text effects, you can also click the Titles Effects option. We can use numbers in the template for our video. Once more, click to add text. Modify the font to match the title, and change the text color to green. This time, the text will say Easy. Choose Lift from the Effects menu and adjust the intensity to the maximum setting, after which drop and drag it into position. Next, use the right-click menu to duplicate the text box and set its color to white. Then modify it to, say, 1, and then drag and drop that to the desired location. Then make a copy of this text box. This time, however, alter it to, say, 2, and then drag and drop it into position. Then carry out the procedure once more, but for 3 times. Thus, we will now proceed to repeat the process, but only for the medium difficulty questions this time. Just replicate the easy text box, change the text to say medium, and alter the color of the text to be orange. Place it beneath the simple questions. Make another copy of the number boxes with the updated numbers 4, 5, and 6. Then we will repeat the same action. We'll include the hard text box this time and make it red. We'll make 3 more copies of the number boxes, numbered 7, 8, and 9. Then we'll use the extreme text box once more. Choose a vibrant color for this. Duplicate it and create a new number box. Make it number 10 instead. Once your text and number boxes are arranged as you desire, you can use the cursor to click on each element while holding down the Shift key. Then pick all of them, and then press the Group button. They will now all be selectable as a single group that you can move and click on. You can resize them collectively and transfer them to the desired location. Everything about this is quite practical. We're going to go ahead and include 3 more stock videos. Simply select Canva's Add New Page button to accomplish that. Return to Elements and look for a fresh stock video clip. Once the desired one has been identified, add it to the timeline and ensure that it takes up the entire screen. Set the duration of the video to 15 seconds. To make the video darker, choose to edit it and reduce its brightness. And return back to the first video slide, choose your grouped pieces and click to copy them. Return to the second video slide at this point and copy and paste the group elements there. Repeat these steps to create a third page. Add another stock video and adjust its duration to 15 seconds. In the video editing options, reduce its brightness and then add your grouped pieces on top of it. Thus, it goes without saying that we will repeat all of this. This time, we're going to make our video a little bit longer rather than cutting it down to 15 seconds. Our video will be 15.1 seconds long. This is due to the fact that videos must be longer than 1 minute in order to be eligible for advertisements on the TikTok Creativity Rewards program. We'll aim to get it as near to 60 seconds as we can. That's because videos that are shorter than 60 seconds can only be accepted on YouTube Shorts. It's the reverse of TikTok. It is important that you post the entire 60.1 second video while uploading this list challenge video to TikTok. However, you can simply crop this video in the YouTube editing program to make it 59.9 seconds when you publish it to YouTube Shorts. Naturally, the choice is yours. You could actually make your video longer if you wanted to, especially if your primary intention is to publish it to TikTok. Conversely, you could make your videos even shorter if your main intention is to post them to YouTube YouTube Shorts. It's up to you which direction it goes. So go and carry out the same action as before. Choose a fresh stock video and create a new page. Cut it down to 15.1 seconds. Adjust its darkness, and then paste your grouped parts on top of it. You now have a 60.1 second video template that you can use and modify at any time by just changing the stock video clips and the title text. Although it requires initial labor, you may utilize this template to greatly expedite the creation of subsequent videos in the future. Give your new video template a title, then click Share and select to download it. Verify that MP4 has 1080p chosen. Then select Download. Utilize AI to create a list of hard questions. Let's now rapidly ask an AI chatbot, such as ChatGPT, to come up with some questions for us. Once you've explained that you want 10 fill-in-the-blank questions that are increasingly harder, you can ask it to develop 10 questions for you on the subject of your list challenge. You can also tell it the demographic your audience will be and ask it to generate the questions for you. To generate a variety of questions, I also advise asking it more than once. Feel free to combine and select the questions that you think would work best for your list challenge. Make a free artificial voiceover. We'll use 11 Labs, another AI tool, to produce a free AI voiceover. 10 minutes of free audio per account each month are part of 11 Labs' free monthly subscription. Simply visit 11labs.io and log into your account. Simply visit the text-to-voice generator and provide your introduction. A succinct and engaging hook like this one works well. Provide the text for your first inquiry. You can select an AI voice. You can listen to the many renditions. Dramatic voices appear to appeal to people. Click to start the speech and choose to download it after it has done producing it. We will record the following voiceover segment. Thus, let's begin by providing the response to the earlier query you posed. Pose the following query. Produce the second voiceover clip and click to download it. That is essentially it. I just went through and created other audio snippets in this manner, asking the following question after providing the prior question's response. But for that final tape, just have it be the final answer with no follow-up questions. Okay, so we have our AI voiceover clips and our Canva video template. Make a list challenge in CapCut. It's time to put them all together in CapCut, another free AI program that you can use to create a list challenge movie. Select the Media tab, drag and drop your previously saved Canva movie onto the timeline, and upload it. Then submit every audio clip you've saved from 11labs.io. Then select your first audio clip and insert it into the video's opening. Take each of your audio clips and begin placing them on the timeline, roughly equal distance apart. You can just approximately eyeball this. Accuracy is not necessary. As you can see, when I had added all of my clips, they were positioned around 1 to 2 seconds apart. Naturally, though, this video is not very long. Instead, you could space them out by roughly 3 to 5 seconds if the film was longer. We will employ a very useful AI technology called auto captions. Simply select captions and then auto captions. Your AI voiceover will now be automatically converted to written captions by CapCut's AI. Double-click the first set of auto captions to open the templates box and choose the single caption template style after it has finished. You can use the basic characteristics box by clicking on it to make the text larger. If the AI mistranslates any terms, you can also correct the translation problems by editing the captions. We can now add a free animated progress bar by going to Free Progress Bar Stickers. Videos for popular list challenges would play a progress meter in between each question. Now navigate to the section of the movie timeline where the progress bar should be added. Reveal the elements. Enter progress bar into the search box. Choose stickers from the list of menu options. Then make your selection from one of their accessible progress bars. Select the sticker and click the Basic Properties box to make it bake by scaling it up to the maximum size. Drag and drop it onto the video where you want it to be. Then drag and drop it into the video timeline to adjust its duration for the desired length of playback. The sticker animation timing will be automatically updated by CapCut's intelligent AI to correspond with the duration of your desired playback. Although we still have a few finishing touches to complete, include list difficulties answers. The next thing we're going to do is swiftly add the solutions to the list challenge questions. Navigate to the point in the video timeline where you respond to a question for the first time. Then, to add a heading, click the text menu selection. After selecting the box for basic attributes, enter the quiz response. Select your preferred text font and use the text size tool to make it smaller. Finally, position the text in the desired location within the video. Click and drag the text element to the very end of the video using the timeline feature for video editing. This allows you to observe that a word appears on screen and remains there once it does. Go ahead and repeat the procedure. adding new text boxes as you respond to the various quiz questions during the film. There's just one more thing we need to do. Add the ticking sound of free progress. We are going to include a sound effect of free progress ticking in. Then choose to add a sound effect from the audio option. Look for a ticking timer online. Elect to use a timer. Include it in your video by dragging and dropping it to the location of one of your progress bars in the timeline. Reduce the sound effect in the video timeline so that it corresponds with the length of the progress bar. Simply repeat these steps, giving each of your progress bars a ticking sound effect as you go through the film. Your personal list challenge video will be prepared for uploading to YouTube and TikTok. Download and upload list challenge. Now let's export our video in high definition so we may upload it to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even both. Simply click the export button, choose download, and then provide a file name to your list challenge. Ensure that high quality is chosen under resolution. Then select export, and you're done. Please subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye.